Yes, you can build a career as an event host. I'm going to show you exactly what to do and provide you with 3 vital concepts and 3 powerful tools. The first concept is this: you have to be as good off stage as you are on stage. Sure, you can grow your skills at presentation, your platform skills, but at the same time you must work on your off-stage skills, your marketing, your publicity, your productivity, your personal motivation. One without the other and you're lost. The great Australian speaker Winston Marsh, hello Winnow, he would always say you've got to be as good a seller of your services as you are a deliverer of your services. So ask yourself, which one is most important for you to work on? That was the first concept. This is the first tool. It's called the ExpertMC Roadmap, and you can download it straight off the site via the card that will appear above. You don't even need to provide an email address. Download that and it will explain different choices, videos you can watch, articles that you can read on the website, plus a few other resources. Part 2 of that goes on to the off-stage skills. So that's your first one. Download the Roadmap to Success. The second concept that will really help you build a career as an event host is to use your circle of influence. Now by this I mean your doctor, hairdresser, mechanic, dentist, accountant, plumber, electrician, people like that. You've possibly known them for years and you possibly have paid them lots of money. It's time to get a little bit back. Make sure you include them and tell them what you're trying to do as an event host. And you'll be amazed at the connections they have. And especially the profession of the doctor, the dentist, the accountant, they will probably be members of professional associations who may well have meetings, who may well need event hosts. So make sure you take those people on your journey with you. The second tool that I want you to be aware of is this, the ExpertMC Toolkit and Resource Manual. It's 120 pages of advice, content from my last 20 years working as an MC all over the world. So it's content, jokes, stories, introductions, thank yous, activities, plus a whole lot of advice. But not just from me, from some of my MC colleagues as well. And I'll put a link to it in the card above, so have a little look, and I really know that you will find that useful building a career as an event host. The third concept is to learn to sell from the stage. And what you're selling is yourself, the concept that you're a freelance MC and you are available. Now, when you do a good job, and I know you're going to do a good job, you will often get people assuming that you work for the company. They come up and say, oh, how long have you sold real estate? Or how long have you been in insurance or computers or whatever? Or at a wedding, that you're a relation, a friend of the bride or groom, and you've been just asked to do it. So always plant that seed at some point that you're a freelance MC. Oh, I love working at this venue. I was working as MC here just a few weeks ago. Or perhaps, oh, you guys are terrific, thank you. Not like the accountants I was working for last week, etc. It can be quite subtle, but it can be very effective. And the third tool I want you to be aware of is our inner circle. The inner circle are a few MCs who support this project, and in return they get a whole bunch of things, and I'm inviting you to be involved as well. They get the Speaker Bureau report. This is an exclusive report all about international speaker bureaus, and you can get a lot of work from them, but they're a bit tricky to get into. We tell you how to do it and when you should do it. You get our 6-part course on free publicity that you can then turn into paid engagements. And here's the big one. They also get listed in our global event host list. This is linked straight off the front page of the website. We get approximately 50,000 views a month. Some of those people go straight through to that list. So you get more traffic, you get more SEO, and you get more page ranking from Google. It's a big one. And there's lots of other bonuses as well. Now, it's all run through Patreon. It's extremely cheap, and I just want you to be involved. So there's a card above if you're interested in finding out about that. I hope to see you there or in one of these videos coming up right now.